Welcome to the thinkcell tutorials. thinkcell Assist helps you build slides at AI speed with human control. In this video, we'll show you how to use thinkcell Assist to generate charts from verified financial data, add key takeaways and action titles, edit slide text, and translate slides, all without leaving PowerPoint. You can access the thinkcell Assist interface on the Insert tab or on the thinkcell tab. Let's say that you want to create a chart that shows NVIDIA's revenue boom resulting from AI growth. On the Research Data tab, search for the company that you want. Next, choose the KPIs and time frame that you want to show in your chart. In this case, we want to show the company's revenue on an annual basis. When you're finished choosing your parameters, select Insert Chart. Now you can insert the chart on your slide. The chart's datasheet contains verified financial data. The datasheet isn't synced to the data source and remains unchanged unless you update the data yourself. Since there's only one series in this chart, let's remove the series label. Right-click the chart to open the context menu, then select Remove Series Labels. Let's add a total difference arrow that emphasizes NVIDIA's revenue surge since 2023. To finish formatting our chart, we'll change the color of the columns. On the Chat tab, you can prompt thinkcell Assist to generate, revise, and review content. You can also access the other thinkcell Assist features that we cover in this video. Let's add some key takeaways that help us better understand the chart. On the Chat tab, we'll ask thinkcell Assist to generate 3 key takeaways. As prompted, thinkcell Assist is researching information beyond what appears in the chart to enhance our understanding of the data. If you want the takeaways or any other slide text to be more concise, thinkcell Assist can help you shorten the text. Make sure that you've selected the text that you want to shorten. On the Edit Text tab, select Shorten. You can click the button multiple times until you're satisfied with the result. Next, we'll add an action title that quickly helps the audience grasp the point of the slide. On the Create Content tab, select Suggest Action Titles, then select the action title that you want. If you want new action title suggestions, select Regenerate Action Titles. thinkcell Assist can also help you translate slides. For example, when you need to reuse a slide for a customer who speaks another language. On the Translate Slides tab, you can choose whether to translate one or more selected slides or the entire presentation. Select the language that you want, then select Translate Slides. That's it for this tutorial on thinkcell Assist. To learn more about using thinkcell, see our user manual and other video tutorials.